Hey guys, I just wanted to get on and give you, kind of show you the instructions on how you guys are going to be um, getting all of your resources in order to do your assignments for the next few weeks. So, or however long this lasts, I don't know. We're going to play this by ear and do the best we can. Okay, so first and foremost, I don't want you guys to stress out about this. I want you um, we're just taking it a day at a time. And if you need any guidance, please, please, please email me and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. And then also, I'm going to be setting up Zoom conference meetings based on the responses that I received in the survey that I sent out. I will do, more than likely it will be a 10 to 11 and then also maybe a 1 to 2, but remember I have micro and um you guys A&P, so I'll have to be dividing up my time with that, and then also I'm teaching my own kids their school stuff. So anyway, first and foremost though, I wanted to show you just how to go ahead and log on to CK12. So what you're going to do, I already have some of it, it's not showing up on your end yet, but it will, okay? But I just wanted to show you. Um, Once you go to your page, you're going to go to assignments, and everything, guys, is going to be set up just the same way that we have been doing, except the only difference is it's going to be labeled e-learning week 32 assignments. Okay, so click on that. And then here it says enrollment instructions for CK12. You're going to click this document, okay? And then once it loads, if it does, oh, you know what? I bet I have to come up here. Here it is. I'm working with my Mac. Okay, so once you get here, you can do this one of two ways. You can go to ck12.org and follow the instructions, or you can click the link and it will take you directly to CK12. Okay, so I'm going to see if this lets me do a fake login because I already have an account, so it won't let me. And if it doesn't, I'll just use my husband's. We'll do test. And then, oh, wait, no, psych. You have to do a create an account. Not now. So you will do, you're a student sign up. So sign up using an email, test, January 1. I don't know, when were y'all born? 2000. Email, we'll do test at gmail.com. We'll see if this works. It's not gonna. Okay, I'll just do JR's. Levacy at gmail.com. And then, no, I don't want to use that. Come on. How do I get rid of this? You guys, I'm so on the struggle bus. Show password. No, I don't want that. Okay. So there we go. So, okay, congratulations, test. You're logged in. So your account has been created. So click continue. Not now. Continue. And then once you get here, I have, here's our page. Okay, this is test joined. So this is me. I joined. And once you get here, you're going to see your assignments over here. And so the way that this is going to work, please, again, don't stress about this. The assignments are going to be posted. You're going to click on the male reproductive system. So that's what we're going to be starting with. And over here, I've picked two concepts that you guys are going to follow. So you're going to do a male reproductive system. You are going to click on it. Get in the game. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to read this. So you'll click the link. And it's going to take forever to load, more than likely, because everybody's on the internet. And then you're going to read through this. So You'll read through, you'll watch the embedded videos, and then read through this. And once you read through it, okay, so there, yay, we read through it. Now we're going to go on to the next thing. There's a couple other videos that you guys will need to watch, just like we would do in class on Thursday bell work, okay? And let's see. You can do this if you would like to, the real world bad blood. It's a documentary type things. You do not have to do that if you don't want to. You do have to do the readings and the video though. You guys can do the start practice if you want to. There is no way for me to determine whether or not, well, I guess there kind of is, but that's not how I'm getting your grade. We have to give you guys a weekly grade. And your weekly grade is going to come from questions that I provide you on Blackboard. So there'll still be online questions. There'll be however many questions I decide that it's going to be, but then that will be it. Okay. So, again, you can practice those if you want to. Some of the questions that I put on Blackboard may come from that. More than likely, they're just going to be what I make up. Okay. So once you go in and you do those things, so you'll do the male reproductive system, click those, do the assignment, and then there's, if you go back, are you sure you want to, no, cancel. This is fun. What is going on? Okay, well, we don't have a whole lot of time to go through this. So let me just see if I can come back here. Yeah, okay, I'll do this. So and then again, once you're back to the assignment board, again, click the male reproductive system, and then this time you're going to do the male reproductive organs, okay? And so here's a reading that you'll need to read, and there's these, you can watch all these different videos, this real world and this video you don't have to watch, but there are this male reproductive system one I want you to read. Now you'll notice that there are two of these readings. One will say male reproductive organs advanced, and one will say male reproductive organs, like this one does. So you do not have to do the advanced one. I picked all of the questions and everything from this one because it breaks up everything, and I thought it would just be easier. We're not trying to make this difficult in any way, shape, or form. Okay, I don't want, the last thing I want to do is stress you guys out. So once you do complete this though, and we go back to our Blackboard page, which I have so many tabs opened. Also, guys, I sent out an email. Please go ahead and respond to that email if at any chance you can. You know what? I'll just open it again. So you're going to go back. So for the second thing that you guys are going to do, okay, this is practice. You're going to go to assignments. Again, scroll all the way down. You're going to click on this. And then you're going to see this male reproductive system practice. Okay, you're going to click this link. And it may make you do this or it may not. I don't know. But once you get this link, it's going to say male reproductive system. It's going to open a Word document. And this Word document has a link to it for a practice. Okay, this is an interactive worksheet. It's not going to be graded. It's just for you guys to practice the male reproductive system. So it should show up something like this. Again, if it loads, here we go. So it's going to look like this, and it's the male reproductive system. So what you're going to do, I've provided you with the exact same picture from the CK12 reading so that you guys will go in, you will click this, and you will type in what the correct answer is. Okay? And then once you have completed that, so this is your ureter, this is your seminal vesicles, your prostate gland, your testes, your epididymis, the scrotum. So you'll go in, you'll label all of that stuff, and then, oh, goodness gracious, the second part to this is you're going to be filling in a chart. So you're going to go type in what the organ function of the penis, the urinary bladder, all of those. And guys, for the most part, I found all of the functions in your CK12 reading. So again, type in what is there, and then just continue practicing it, okay? Let's see what happens when we do. Well, you guys, let me move me over here. Hand in work. Now's a good time to go over your answers. Well, I didn't, because I didn't really put any in them. Confirm hand in work, assignment completed, to get feedback from my teacher. So again, this is just practice, but you will have, nope, that's not what I want. Why does my thing keep going away? My Blackboard course. So again, let me move me back over here. Once you go down to assignments, I have not made this up yet, okay? Well, it will be there by the time y'all watch this video. You're going to have down here will be another, it's going to be like your normal questions on Blackboard, okay? They're all going to involve that picture. This is where your weekly grade is going to come from. So once you complete it, submit it. I will go in on Monday. That's when all of this is due. On Monday, I will see that you have completed it. I will write down your score. I will put it in progress book. We will move on to the next. And this is more than likely how the rest of this year is going to play out. I may put a virtual lab in there instead of an interactive worksheet. Especially when we do cardiovascular, and if we get to do digestive as well. But again, I just wanted to let you see how that is going, and how you can enroll. If you have any questions or if that was super confusing, please reach out to me. Again, we're going to be doing Zoom conferences, so if you have any questions with any of that, you can log on to that and get on. I will be sending a link, will be going out with the meeting time and the meeting ID code. You are not required to join in on those conferences. And unfortunately, if it's just myself and another student, we can't have it, or I'll have to invite another teacher to sit in on it because it can't be a one-to-one teacher-student. Anyway, I miss you guys. I want to come back to school, but during these times, please, 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 guys, practice social distancing. Do what the CDC is asking us to do so we can get back to school and see each other. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, go out and enjoy the sun. I miss you guys. I love you guys. Bye.